Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we'll see how we can open a Fiverr account on their platform. So we can go to the website fiverr.com, which we saw in the previous video. And now here, what we want to become is a freelancer. So that is going to be a seller. So we want to become a seller providing our services as a freelancer. So you're going to click on become a seller. And now here we can start the process. So you can see the process, how it works is we have to create a gig where we're going to go ahead and provide details regarding our services. And then that gig will be published and listed on Fiverr, and anybody who wants to take those services can connect with us. And then we start providing that service that can generate revenue for us. So here we can go ahead and join, and we can sign up over here. In this manner, you can give it a name as well, specifically speaking, okay, in this way, and then you create an account. So now you can say what kind of account it is going to be. So I'm going to be selling freelance services. This is what we want to do. So we can go ahead with that. We can say what kind of a freelancer are we? Okay, so let's say we are a solo freelancer. Okay, and then freelancing experience, if you have any previously, I'm just getting started, you can say that. Okay, and now we can complete our seller profile. So this is what we were talking about as a gig. Okay, so ready to start selling on Fiverr. Okay, so create a profile. So these are the steps to be performed where you can continue further. What makes a successful Fiverr profile? Giving all the information. So we continue. So you have to provide all this information as you can read through this. And now you start giving all the details. So this is where you will fill up all the details. Display name. You can also provide a profile picture. Okay, give a description of your business. Okay, and continue further, which will create the particular gig for us. The profile will be created out here. Once the profile is created, then we go to the professional information where we are going to provide all the services which we are trying to provide out here. So that can be seen out here specifically, and we can see that. So this way, we can open a Fiverr account, ideally speaking. Let me show you how the gigs will look like in real life scenario. So once the gig is created, you can go to your particular dashboard, which is in profile. And here we can see specifically, we can switch to selling, and we can see our dashboard, or we can also look at profile. When you go on profile, you will be able to see your gigs, okay, your services which you're providing. So like this, your gigs or profiles will be there. Multiple services can be there which you're providing. Like in my case, I'm providing these training services related to digital marketing, so which can be created. And from here, you can create more additional gigs as well. So what we are going to do is we are going to use the ChatGPT and MidJourney tools to create those, to provide those services. Specifically, let's say copywriting is one of the services which we want to provide. So we will create a similar gig over here, telling people that we provide copywriting services. And whenever those services comes to us, we can make use of the ChatGPT tool to generate, do that particular service and deliver it to our clients. So this way, you can start generating online revenue with the help of this platform and with the help of the AI tool, which is ChatGPT and MidJourney. I hope this makes sense. You understand now how we can sign up for a Fiverr account, and you can create a profile or a gig on this platform to provide your services online. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session, and I will see you in the next video.